This little Suki Lala is Velcro, brother of Klingon, also now called Ruby Tuesday, which I really like as a name. So, and she's going to Kakundi soon?
Yeah, a couple of weeks.
She just hasn't made the weight and the emotional development cut off at the moment, has she? And she's not quite ready to go
Really?
with her brother. Look at you. Look at your beautiful face. Ooh, I love it when I can see the whites of their eyes. You know, aren't you beautiful?
I am very cute.
Ridiculously cute.
Yeah. She loves a tummy rub. Nothing better than a tummy rub.
Oh, yes. Okay.
All right, Judy. Oh, yes, and a face rub. Face rub is good.
You have a Suki Lala? How could I tell? She squeak?
Lots of
I'll
squeaks.
tell you what, Beauty Dubs is my best squeaker ever
Oh,
in years.
yeah. She does. If you're rubbing her head, she just squeaks away. That's bliss.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
That she's done so well.
Yeah. It's taken her a while, but she's getting there.
She was really compromised.
Yeah. Isn't she? Eh?
It's clearly great hardship for her to be raised by you.
She's a funny little thing, isn't she? Get your wings apart, girlfriend. What are you doing to me? Yeah.
Good girl. Oh, big stretch.
Here you go.